Here is my audience. We haven't started yet. All right, how many of y'all like collecting things? Y'all do?
I think collecting
Well,
boxes.
let me show you how to make an awesome, easy paper box. This is something that my grandma showed me how to make when I was probably about y'all's age, and it's my honor to share it with y'all. Because I'm from Texas. The first thing you need to do is gather your materials. You will need 2 pieces of paper and a pair of scissors. Have your parents help you with scissors. Okay. Once you have gathered your materials, you can start with the process. The process is, great question, you start with your rectangular sheet of paper. We need to make this into a square. Very easy. You just grab one corner of it, pull it down so these 2 sides are even, and then you crease it. Okay?
What does this mean?
Crease means to fold.
Oh.
And then once you do that, you fold this over so that you have your remainder. This little rectangle needs to be cut off, and then we'll be left with a perfect square shape.
You mean triangle? Bye.
It's a square.
Bye, square.
And remember, the neater you are with your cutting and folding during this process, the neater your box will turn out. So, once we have cut, we have our square right here. We need to start making lots of folds on this. You already have your first one done. Now you have 2 triangles. Y'all see that, right? Now we need to do the opposite side. Do these 2 corners together, and we have a little X right here in the corner. Y'all see that? Yeah, it looks like a kite. So, once you have that, you bring the 4 corners into the middle. Yeah, very
I don't want
easy.
someone to make me a box when this is over, so pay attention.
Okay, you bring your 4 corners in and do those folds. Now you have that shape. Once you've done that, you bring this corner 2 creases over and do that for all 4 sides. So this corner needs to go right here, and then we'll do that fold. Ah. I'm sure y'all are great at folding. There's lots of lines, huh? Okay, now we're ready for the very last fold on our square sheet of paper. These corners need to go to this first crease that we've made right here. Right here to this line. Y'all see that? Okay, you do that for all 4 sides. Okay.
Like a memory talker?
And now we have this little grid on our square sheet of paper. We can move on to the cutting. So get out your handy dandy set of scissors. You just do 4 incisions on this. You do a cut right here, and you can count the boxes. Count 2 boxes in, and that's where you want to stop the cut. Cut right here along the line. And right here across from it. And only do it on the 2 corners across from each other. So we'll turn it around and do it on this. I'm just counting 2 squares in. And remember, the neater you are with these cuts, the neater your box will turn out in the end. Okay, so now you have this cool shape right here, and it's time to start folding and forming your box together. It looks like a Pokemon? Okay. So we fold this in right here, and we want to fold these flaps over so it's hugging itself, kind of.
It looks like a ship. It looks like a Christmas tree. It looks like a baby.
So we have that, and we want to fold it in.
It looks like a
See that?
Oh,
You can see that it's starting to look like a box, doesn't
It's
it?
tiny. It's a tiny box.
Now you grab this, you fold it once, and fold it over.
It's a tiny.
And these are great. These are great for collecting whatever you want to collect. If you collect stamps,
Bugs.
bugs, you can throw some bugs in here.
I don't collect bugs. I collect charms. I collect cereal.
All right. You
I
can
collect
see
cereal. I go 1,000 and millions.
All right.
of
So now you have your little
My family's
half of your paper box. To make the top of it, you would get your second sheet of paper and do the exact same thing, but make the square shape
Hey, you guys listen.
tiny
Pay
bit
attention.
smaller. That way it'll fit inside the lid.
Wait, a tiny
Yeah, I'll show you in a minute. But now that you know how to make a little paper box, and hopefully you can have fun making this craft. Yes, and after you're done, you can have fun coloring it with crayons, markers, painting it, whatever your forte is.
I love painting.
But thank you for your time.
Can I hold it?
Okay.